I recently ordered a Freedompop SIM. Came from Poway, California. I haven't used this in a while, but they're offering a 1,000 minute, 1,000 megabyte, 1,000 text plan for $50 for the year. Came shipped in this first class envelope. So I wanted to give this a try. The directions are pretty straightforward. And so it seems like you need a Freedompop app to do calling and texting, so and here's the SIM card. It's a 3-in-1, so I can pop out what I need to use. I didn't realize this, but yeah, looking at the instructions to use Freedompop, I need to do two things. First is in settings, I need to go to cellular data or cellular networks, and I need to set the APN settings. It'll be different depending on what phone you're using for Android, but create a new one, and the APN is called freedompop.com fp.com.attz. So fp.com.tz. So I'll give it a name, Freedompop. So you have to do two things. Create the access point, make sure it's chosen, and then under Play Store you need to install the Freedompop messaging app. So this will let you text and make a phone call. You can't use the standard calling and texting app that's on your phone. You have to use the Freedompop app. So install it already, and it's probably going to have me go through the setup, and hopefully it's easy. So if everything goes well, then you can press activate. And I think it's going to take me to a website to try to activate the SIM card. So it takes me to this screen over here where it has my IME ID and wants me to put in my email address, and then I guess after that it'll validate. That simple to activate the SIM.